to make a very delicious mug cake in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Alright guys, all what we need is 3 tablespoons of flour. 2 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mixing time. We need to mix it very well. Alright guys, now I'll add 3 tablespoons of milk. And 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we'll add half teaspoon of vanilla. Now let's mix it up one more time. One spoon of choco chips. You can replace the chocolate chips with 1 spoon of Nutella or some chocolate chunks. Now it's ready for the microwave. See, that was easy. Leave it in the microwave for 1 minute. Thank you for watching guys. If you like my mug cake, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!